Matt from Keystone Experience. It's Friday, May 9th. Just picked up our building permit. I guess we're maybe almost 40 days into this project. It's a rainy Saturday, running errands, trying to get our mower up and running, getting a weed eater. Gonna do a little, hopefully get some siding pulled off this afternoon in preparation for demoing the kitchen. At the township offices, there's an old map of our township, and it dated back to 1852. Anyway, I believe our house was on that map. There was a family by the last name of Redacted that had 16 acres, and anyway, our property was half of that, so it's just over 8 acres. And anyway, so our house could be a lot older than I thought it was. Could be closer to 170 years old. So that's kind of cool. And anyway, looking forward to doing some demo this week. Let's follow along. So Friday afternoon around 3:30 or 4, got here to the farm, and the goal is to pull some siding off of the kitchen addition. Got some ladders set up right here. Hopefully get basically all of this siding right here torn off, and then tomorrow start pulling this end of the house down. Again, we got our building permit today, so that's exciting. And then we'll set up for breaking ground in 2 or 3 weeks. I want you boys to play nice and protect each other.
Here I go! Watch this.
Just got the shutters popped off. Now we'll start up here on this edge, that top edge, and pull that siding off. Hey Brendan, what's your favorite Johnny Cash song?
My name is Sue.
Making some progress. So I'm up here hanging off the side of the roof, and the kids told me they found a newspaper. Ellen and the kids are pulling up the roof, pulling up the old subfloor. So I'll get down and take a look. Coming down, guys. Okay, so what'd you find?
Found a newspaper.
What year is it from?
1955.
1955.
And that's probably the oldest one we have.
That's almost older than Papa Fred. Think we can get it out and keep it intact?
Hopefully.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll do
That's our very own time capsule.
Apparently they nailed it down, so it's not going to be perfect. So I got the names right here.
We're trying to be like careful around the corners.
Here, maybe. Here, let me. How prisoners escape from city lockup. 8 to 9 million Americans invest in the stock market. Billy Graham. Do you believe America could lead a world revival?
Weed whacker here, and I was kind of laughing at first because this protects your serious gear, but when I was out there, stuff was definitely impaling my face even through this, so it was a good first round.
Good job. Saturday, March 10th, our 40th day of owning the property. We're up here salvaging these wide floorboards. You can see, look how wide they are. So that's a beautiful 17-inch wide board. I'm gonna salvage all of these to reuse. Morning, Knox.
Morning.
What say you? We got the Tyvek taken off and we're in full swing, pulling the roof boards up. Some real beauties up there. There was a bald eagle flying in the sky up here earlier. Don't know where he went. Yeah, Knox. James is back 2 Saturdays in a row.
Yeah, thanks for letting me come. It's fun.
What do you say, James?
Thanks for letting me come.
Love it. Okay, 19 a.m., 9:18 a.m.
I'm at $25 per hour.
No, he's not. 9:18 a.m. We got all the roof deck off. Knox is pulling the last of the nails. James is pulling the nails on the underside of each rafter because those rafters are coming down next. Hey James, why don't you let Knox help you with those?
Okay, sure. Knox, can you help me with the joists?
It's lunchtime. Lord willing, that all comes down by end of day. Starting to take shape. Ellen made a turkey this week, which was delicious. We had it for dinner. Then she made turkey soup for a cold, rainy day with lots of bacon. Now we're having turkey sandwiches for lunch. Delish. Thank you, Ellen. Here you go, Knox. You said you wanted a video. So we worked to a corner. Need to get some OSB to dry in that end of the house right here. We're getting a lot of rain. So even though we're making some good progress tearing down the kitchen, we want to make sure we can put some sheeting on it and get it dried in, because it could be a couple months till the framing happens on this end. So we're gonna make a Home Depot run and get some sheeting. How many sheets do we have?
6.
6? We have 6, James?
Yep.
Keep it going. The day thou gave us, Lord, has ended. Got all the salvaged lumber that we tore off of the house over there. All the salvaged lumber is under here. It's dried in and ready for some rain. Knox worked like a trooper. 10-hour day. We're tired and dirty. Ready for a shower and a pirate soda.
My chocolate bunny.
What's your question?
Do you roll all your dice? Daddy. And then so if you're doing 6s, then you get all these 6s, and then you roll base.
Yep.
Or you just nails.
I am nailing nails into the wall.
Wait.
Yeah.
Where are we going, Emma?
New house.
Do you want to do the drive of the old Ford?
Yeah.
Okay, come over, sit in my lap. Day 47, owning the property. Lord willing, it's the last day of major demolition before the excavator comes. Oh, it's Matt from Keystone Experience. Thanks for tuning in to Little House on the Susquehanna, watching our remodels. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Knox is grubbing on a sandwich. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we're joyful. Life isn't easy, but we're joyful, and it's going to be a good day. Lots of helpers today at the job site. Stay tuned. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. I hear that train a-comin', it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. We made it to the job site, the old 1970 Ford lead sled. Lord willing, this all comes down today. Gonna load it up, take it out to the burn pile. Helpers are about to arrive shortly. We're pulling off the OSB. Gonna take her down. All right. Coming our way. What do you say, Jack? Heads up. Fire in the hole. Making good headway. The subfloor's almost off. Here comes the sun. Got a couple more floor planks to roll out, and the kitchen is done. Then we'll start the walls. Get those walls down. Get these corner posts. Look at this mortise and tenon details. 175 years right there. It's an old piece of framing. Handmade in America. James, you're on camera. What do you say?
This is fun.
Get your face in the sunshine so they can see all the dirt on your face. The fun meter's on high. What do you say, Jay?
It actually is pretty fun.
Surprise. Atlas?
I'm sweating.
Okay, you're live. Nice. I think it just broke. Hey boys, all these asphalt shingles can go in the fire. Okay, this is the last wall of the kitchen. These are the men that helped. Okay. Eagle Eye, you gonna jump in there? Count of 3. Don't hurt yourself. Don't fall with the wall. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Okay. Looks like a slow demolition. You got a truck full of kids back there. That's what I grew up riding on the back of a tailgate. Hope that's a video. Well, got the back end off and dried up. And praise be to the Lord. Memorial Day, we're gonna start excavating. And yeah. Got Got the guys unloading the last of the asphalt shingles. It's almost 4 o'clock. And at 4, we're gonna pack it up, go home and take a shower, and hang out with some folks from church and drink a pirate soda.
James, what was the highlight of today?
Wrecking the summer kitchen.
You wrecked the whole thing?
Yeah.
What did you wreck it with?
This, and actually I wrecked it with an axe.
An axe?
Actually,
Were you a partner in the crime?
Yeah,
What'd you do, Atlas?
I pushed over a wall.
A whole wall.
They crushed a wall. Yep, it was good.
You guys.
Yep. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
You're on.
Oh, that was nice. I barely touched the bottom.
I never touched my